Hello and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today we're going to make simple syrup. Simple syrup is a basic for bartending. It is used to make a lot of mixed drinks and also used in baking. A lot of bakers will use it to go ahead and moisten cakes before they put frosting on it or fondant. And you can also use it to make homemade sorbets. It's really simple to make, just two ingredients, water and sugar. And you mix those in a 1-to-1 ratio. Let's go ahead and make some right now. Okay, first we'll start with 1 cup of sugar. And then we're going to add 1 cup of water. And I like to go ahead and use filtered water here. It is a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you want to double the recipe, you can use 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water. And essentially we'll make about the amount that you put in. So if I put in 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water, it makes just about 2 cups worth of simple syrup. Now you want to go ahead and stir this up while you're cooking it. And you're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until all the sugar is dissolved and there's not any sugar particles left. Okay, we can see here that all of our sugar has dissolved. There's no sugar left in there, so we're going to go ahead and remove this from the heat and go ahead and put this into a storage container. Okay, I have a mason jar here, and I'm going to go ahead and pour our simple syrup into this mason jar. As you can see, it makes just about 2 cups of simple syrup, so 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, 2 cups simple syrup. Okay, we're going to put a lid on that, and once it's got the lid on there, we can go ahead and store this in our refrigerator, and it'll keep for about 30 days. Thanks for joining us today on My Low Country Living as we made simple syrup. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe to continue to see more videos like this. Thank you.